You heard that. Her bike called Miss Laguna. How did you come up with the name Miss Laguna?
So Miss Laguna because the color. Everybody always asks me about the color. So her color is orange. Is actually Laguna orange.
Laguna Orange. Okay,
Yeah, so
okay.
that's how I came up with the name Miss Laguna.
Oh, okay. So Miss Laguna, we're gonna do for you. We talked about the 6-pack, but then you added some variables to it. Oh yeah, we forgot to throw in that piece up there. How much I'm gonna charge you for that? Probably about $20 for that light thing up there. How long you been riding?
Only since July of 2020.
Uh-huh.
So not even a year yet.
So what's your farthest accomplishments? What are your goals here?
My goals is to get on the highway and ride as far and as long as I can.
What?
And hear my music.
Okay. So right now the stock ain't cutting it.
No, not at all.
Okay.
Not even a little bit.
Okay.
I just rode to Bakersfield,
Uh-huh.
and everybody was drowning me out.
So you said you got a lot of thinking time on your hands when you riding your bike. That's all we got to say about that. Okay, so we got her here. We got a packed week of stuff here, guys. Please don't send me no more work. Well, you can, but you're gonna be on the line. The line is forming fast. Ahead of her, we got Hoochie Mama here, and we're gonna fix a wire short problems. We should be able to get to this ahead of hers. But hey, we on a clock line over here, y'all. So we're gonna stop talking about it and be about it. Money's Car Stereo. Just letting you see what I see. We in the back cave. We ain't supposed to be back here. I ain't even gonna pan around because we gotta go. The breakdown is real. We got upper speakers are already in. Gonna start building the lowers possibly tomorrow or Monday and build the bags. Then we can start wiring it. I hate when a bike has lights up. See all this stuff ready to get crushed. All this stuff crushing leads to shorting. That's why I don't like working with bike with lights. But I was unable to plug it without destroying anything, so that's good so far. We'll find out when it's time to gain access to the battery to get me my power. We done for the night. Good night. Oh yeah.
Especially going towards the end.
We got all the speakers in.
They had whooped that dude out at the club.
There. All this here in. Tomorrow, we on wiring.
So it was kind of really dangerous.
Yeah.
That's what I figured.
Put the tent back on,
comes out,
and we'll go from there.
which, to this day is considered the greatest.
Got the lights.
No, I like the no Vaseline.
Bullshit in common just keeps us apart. We should be starting to keep our promises. We could be promising.
Got the one in the bag, one up here. Says she wants to keep bag space, so we gonna give her that bag space. Add them bag lids on there with the brake lights up integrated into it. Bad baggers, makes those. Yeah, so we got disconnect for the bike, and then you got the disconnect for the lid. 1.9 in the back, and 4 items in the front, upper, and.
Say I'm closed off. Let's open up and take our clothes off. I don't want nothing in between. Nothing there to stop the feeling. why too short.
Not bad for just 1 6x9 each bag. Mostly it was a highway setup, and we morphed it into a little bit more bass on it. Not the full strength because we don't have all 4, but it's basically like a 2.0 minus 2 speakers. So yeah, that part right there. Money's Car Stereo, and we are telling everybody too. And we out here on to the next one. My man got a little issue over here, so we're gonna get on this next. Get him back out the dough. Let him get some rest and relaxation off the bike. We're gonna get back on it. Gotta go. Money's Car Stereo.